Are you someone who has an offline business and want to use Instagram to showcase what to do and make money online? Or are you someone who simply wants to become a digital content creator just like me, or build a brand as an influencer on Instagram? If what I just mentioned fit you, then this video will show you how to create a professional Instagram account in 2022. Hey, this is Joyce here, and after messing up my content creator account and getting restricted from running any ads on Instagram, I had to learn the hard way how to create a proper professional Instagram account and run my business. So by the end of this video, you will have the complete step-by-step framework on how to create either an Instagram business account or content creators account. And on a side note here, they're actually both similar, by the way, but what's different is their motive. And secondly, you will also understand how to organize your Instagram account to make sure it is doing what you want it to do. And of course, where to create your content that would attract people to your newly created Instagram account. And as a little bonus for staying till the end, I will actually show you how you can actually make at least $1,000 a day from the comfort of your own home. Now, the reason you need to pay attention and watch till the end is because with time, user interfaces tend to change, and Instagram is not an exception. However, no matter the change, the principles behind how the setup is done and how to grow an online business on social media are the same.
Nice.
And guys, if you're new to my channel and video, my name is Joyce Meettoo, and I create videos to help people make money online, specifically with affiliate marketing, so they can grow their business and enjoy a life of financial freedom and, more importantly, time freedom. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you don't want to miss my future videos. This actually helps me and motivates me to put more content like this forward. So let's get started. Firstly, if you want to do this over the phone, you can actually absolutely do so, and it works the same via a desktop computer. So if you are on the phone, all right, download the app Instagram on Apple Store or Play Store. And if you are on the desktop computer, go to www.instagram.com, and here all you need to do is click on sign up. I'll actually be doing it on my phone, and the interface will be appearing on the screen here. So it's asking me for my username. Since I want to create my own brand, which is myself, I'll type my full name. The green tick shows that this username is available, and it will appear as @Joyce Meettoo. If you have a business, then do put your business name, all right? And in case yours shows a red cross, then try putting underscore or type the words that are closer to the name of your business. Okay, so next I will actually input my password, and we are almost done. Since I'm creating this account on the app that already has one of my accounts, it actually says it will add the email address I used for the other account, but I don't want that because I want to add a new email address. First, I will actually select add new phone or email option. Once here, I will go with email and enter my new email address. It will actually ask me to connect with Facebook. You can connect yours if you want to, but I'll skip this for now. I'll also skip this as I want to show you how you can actually create a good profile photo. And we are done. So your Instagram account has been created. And guys, since you're not following anyone, you will be given accounts to actually follow, and you can actually do so, but we need to optimize our account. So we will move to our profile by clicking on the little man icon here. And here we are in our naked profile, all right? And all we need to do now is click on edit profile and fill in those details. So here we are. The name of this account will be my full name. And you don't need to worry too much about the pronouns because it's just an additional feature where you get to put he or him or doctor or sir, and this will appear beside your name. And if you look at my website, right, the link on my website, it's actually the link on my free course. And in your case, it can be any link that you want your audience to visit, even if it's the link of your Facebook group. And lastly, it's the bio. And one way for you to actually write good bio is by looking at what people in your niche have written, and you can model after them. I'm not saying to copy them, but to model after them, all right? And here's the bio that I actually came up with, and I'm pretty satisfied with it for now. And after that, we have two options here to switch to professional account and personal info setting. So first, let's go with the second option, which is personal info setting. You can actually put your phone number if you want and correct your gender. And after all these are done, we are now ready to switch to our professional account. One of the main reasons we switched to professional account is so we can boost our post, view analytics of our post, and get to understand what sort of posts resonate more with our audience and get them to engage. Since this is my new account and I haven't posted anything, let me actually show you an example how to look at the analytics on my other account that is restricted to running ads. And guys, if you're finding value from this video, just give me a thumbs up. This helps with the YouTube algorithm. So let's check the professional dashboard real quick here. So here you get the number of accounts reached in the last 30 days, and below are some tools, tips, and resources. So let me show you what is inside the insights here. All right. So here is a detailed insight or analytics of the accounts reached, engaged, and total followers for the last 30 days. And we want to dive deeper just for you to see the account reached. We will see the top cities, top countries. So, but here it is what like you will get. So back to our setup, you will be asked what best describes you. Again, the best way to know this is to look at what other people in your niche are doing and model them. And in my case, the people I want to model have put public figure, entrepreneur, digital content digital creator, and I decided to go with entrepreneur. So if you can't find a category that actually fits you, you can actually search here and choose the closest that fits you. And once you have selected your category, you can actually choose the option display on profile. And I'll go forward with it. And now you will be asked if you are a creator or a business. Well, so based on your previous selection, Instagram will suggest to you what you actually are. All right, it already tells you what you are if you have selected these given categories, like it shows here. But if you're a business, just go forward with it. And in my case, I'll actually continue with creator. Next, you will be given 5 steps to fully set up your professional account. So let's get started with the first one, which is completing our profile. Now, I will tell you how to create one. You can actually choose one picture from your phone or create a beautiful one from canva.com. Canva is actually a free website where you can create beautiful designs. So the dimensions I chose is 500 by 500, and I removed the background in remove.bg. This too is a free website. And once created, complete your profile and it's done. Now we complete the second step, which is get inspired. This one simply is for you to follow people who are creators, for you to get inspired. All right. So I'll quickly go and follow some accounts that I believe would resonate with me. And once you're done, you just tap on the tick right here. Now we need to grow our audience. All right. And you are actually given 7 options that you can actually choose from. Here, I will actually select accounts I know so I can search for them. And once you're done, tap on done here, and we have now completed our step 3. And now guys, we are going to share content. Like I mentioned before, you can actually you can definitely upload candid pictures taken from your phone, or create a professional looking one from Canva. You can choose to go with dimensions 1000 by 1000. But for this video, I tested it with the dimensions of 500 by 500. These are actually called carousel, okay? And they took me a few minutes to complete. And guys, if you want me to show you in a video how to create carousels, let me know in the comments below. So let me tap on create and select the pictures. On Instagram, you have the options to edit your pictures, all right? And if you want to, but I'll just leave them as they are and move on to the next part. And here is the caption and the other things like tag people and location and connect with other accounts of yours and run promotion. So in order to run promotion, you will need a Facebook business page, which I don't have for now, but I'll be creating it on my next video. And guys, after writing my caption now with some hashtags and entering the location, I'll just go and tap on the blue tick and it's finished. So let's see how it looks like. Pretty good. So quick note here, 500 by 500 is not that great of quality. It's better to use 1000 by 1000 or greater, but make sure they are square. And by the way, guys, if you want to give me a follow on Instagram, please do so. And if you want to access my free course, then I'll actually leave a link in the description below. So since we're done here, we'll move back to our profile to complete our setup. So as it says here, we need to share two more. So I'll do that later, and let's go ahead and explore their professional tools. All right, so we get insights. You won't see much in here, but I already showed you how it should look like when you are going to have your Instagram running. And promotions, you will be able to run Instagram ads, but only when you have a Facebook business account connected to it, which I'll be showing you on the next video how to actually create one and connect to your Instagram. And we are done here. And after completing the setup, your professional Instagram profile should be similar to this. And guys, as promised, I'll now show you what's currently helping me right now to make $1,000 a day and how you can make it too. The answer is high ticket affiliate marketing. If you're familiar with affiliate marketing or tried it before but failed, it's mainly because you were not applying the right strategies. But when I applied high ticket affiliate marketing in my business, my whole life, my whole business changed. I'm now actually able to travel, have fun, eat delicious food, and more importantly, have time freedom and spend time with my family. It's not just me, but other men and women too. So if you want to get started, get access to the first link found in the description below of this video. And guys, if you found value in this video, make sure to actually give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. This actually helps me a lot. And make sure to add me on my new Instagram account. I'll see you on my next video. This is Joyce Meettoo signing out. Take care. Bye-bye.